Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we know about USDINR important levels, targets, news, strategy. If you're interested, please subscribe our YouTube channel and connect it with Telegram channel. Congratulations friends, today's our sales trade are achieved and we get a 16% return by purchasing a future lot. One thing which I clarify, if you apply the same targets and level in the option trading, so you get a multiples return. But the risk factors are more in option trading. The person who do not get a much more risk, so you can apply the same targets and level for a future lots and get around 15% returns per day. But here one thing which I disappoint, because we here only 15 member, you get a totally free important levels targets, so please subscribe and share with your friends. Okay, here we know about USD-INR important levels for tomorrow. We buy USD-INR above 72.67 and the targets are 72.75 and the 72.80. In against scenario, we sell USDINR if it's below 72.60 and the targets are 72.55 and 72.50. But here, if tomorrow USDINR gap down opening below 72.55, gap down opening below 72.55, we watch a trend, and then after, if the trend is upper side, so we can buy, and the targets are 72.62 and 72.65. Okay friends, please like, share, subscribe and connect it with our Telegram channel. Okay, take care, bye bye, thank you.